Welcome back. We got, oh, let's drop stuff. We got a tray we're gonna unmold, and I think I'm gonna actually do it sitting here. New setup, we're gonna try it out and see. I'm still using the same one with the crack side. Don't judge me. I'm giving myself more work than I need to. Actually, I'm gonna change the angle and try to do one shooting down. So, give me a second. All right, so hopefully this looks good. I'll try to keep it in this little area here. And I like to use the older molds because it's easier to come out. Makes my life a little bit easier because the new molds are really firm. I guess you don't get them this way without using them, so. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to file that down. Or not. Maybe. Alright. Oh. I'm always surprised when I take stuff out. Oh my gosh. They're probably like, girl, shut up. But I do be surprised at how the stuff comes out sometimes. Because you put it together and you don't really know how it's gonna stay, like how it's gonna set. You hope for something, but ooh. All right. So this is what we got. I don't even know if this is like in the frame where it's supposed to be, but this is what we got. We got gold glitter on our holder spaces. This is nice. Okay, I'm gonna change the camera angle so I can look at y'all and see what I'm actually recording. Because I am just hoping like hell that we are in frame right now. But yeah, we got some random pieces. See, this is what I mean, like some parts like escape during curing, and because it was only supposed to be here, and like a little bit just in between here. But we got some up here, we got some over here, because things move as it's setting. But I'm not upset at it. I actually love the way this came out. So yeah, let me switch angles. All right, we're back. So yes, so we got this here leaf shaped tray, green with the gold accents. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this here YouTube channel. Make sure you check out the website, pointlesstalks.com, whichever one makes you happier to visit. Hoodies are on the website, pointlesstalks.com/shop. And I've been making all this noise with this. Yeah, so you can check out the website. You can purchase trays. You can also purchase merch. You can also it's a bunch of merch actually. Speaking of merch, I'm about to do I'm gonna do an unboxing right after this. But yeah, I forgot. But yeah, subscribe, check out the website. See, it's there, pointlesstalks.com. Right there, Pointless Talks, just like up yonder. Check out the website, check out the podcast, check out the crafts, check out the Instagram, check out the Twitter, check out the YouTube, etc. I am fuzzy. I cut my hair, so it's a struggle. Anyways, just like everything else that we do over here, Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, Pointless Corner, just, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.